Hi, my name's Grant. I'm from South Australia. Probably about 5 years ago I had a lot of trouble with my knee, and over the last few years it's really deteriorated. 2 years ago I went and saw a doctor who put me on a waiting list with the public system in Adelaide, South Australia. And it sort of dragged on and dragged on. Probably 7-8 weeks ago now I had my second accident, work-related accident, which my knee caused, and I sort of lost my job. I decided I couldn't wait anymore, and I started looking online for a overseas sort of channel. Funny enough, on the way home from the hospital, I was talking to an Indian taxi driver who put me in that direction. And since then, it's just been so easy. I mean, from organising my medical visa to organising the best surgeon in India and what city I would need to have the operation in. And from picking up at the airport, basically organised everything. I had a chaperone from me from when I was in Mumbai to and from the hospital. I can't say enough, the hospital was excellent. The operation was a complete success, and I'm heading home pretty soon. So I'd just like to highly recommend IndiCure for anyone that's thinking about going overseas to have an operation. Okay, thanks.